to do a quick review on my Pioneer WYS unit. It's the 12,000 BTU 110 volt air conditioner heat pump inverter. As you can see, it's mounted on the wall there in my garage. It's currently 101 degrees outside here in Las Vegas, and the temperature in my garage after having this on for about an hour is 73 degrees with 24% humidity. This is the reason I want air conditioning in my garage. I have quite a few expensive pinball machines in here, and my son comes in here to play every once in a while. So I wanted to keep this room cool. It's fully insulated. The attic is insulated up there. You can see there's no light coming in from my door anywhere. My garage door is fully insulated. The only thing that's having a little bit of peek through is the middle of the garage door, so I could just fill that with something. I did put some solar film. You can see I just put some blue painter's tape over there just to kind of try it out. It was a roll I bought on Amazon for like $6. But it just kind of keeps the heat out. It's done a good job so far, but the whole garage is insulated. And as you can see, it's a 2-car garage. I need to clean the floor, obviously. Very dirty. Holy shit, that looks terrible on film. But anyways, I'm 3/4 of the way across the garage, probably a good, I'd say 18 to 20 feet, and with my hand I can still feel the air conditioning hit me. As I go all the way back, which is about 21 feet away from the unit, and lean against the back door, I can feel the air conditioning hit me in the face. I have the leveler going like this in the motion where it goes up and down. I had a professional air conditioning company come out last night and inspect all the lines. They reattached all the copper lines and put some silicone paste on the lines because I had some leakage, and they refilled it with the new refrigerant. I was not happy with this at the beginning, but I knew there was some kind of a leak somewhere when we installed it. So $75 later to have the professional AC company come out and inspect the lines. It works fantastic. You're talking about almost a 40-degree difference from outside to inside. Here's the outside unit. You can see I have the lines going up into the attic and then out. The electrical line was teed off of an existing outlet. It goes up into the roof, or the attic, comes down here along the side, which I will cover nicely, and then goes out to the door here. And then here's the external unit. As you can see, the lines both come in through the side of the garage there. This is on right now. About a foot away, so you can see how loud it is. It's extremely quiet. I'm very, very happy with it. This is the decal. This is the 110 unit. As you can see, there, 10. Here's the outdoor model number. And as you can see, I gotta kind of clean this up a little bit, but I put this conduit on the side of the house as well to kind of clean that up. I'm gonna put some bracketry over that to just kind of clean that up and have that kind of set back on the house. You can't see it from the street. As you can see, it's tucked up under my roof, so you can't see it, so the neighbors won't complain about it. But I'm just gonna kind of put some brackets over the top of that and attach it to the stucco. But I'm very happy with it. Very quiet. I mean, coming in here, it's just a drastic temperature change. I mean, at least 30-degree difference when you walk in here, and it's just nice. You can see the fin right there, how it's coming down now. So I'm gonna put the phone right in front of it. And here's my drawstring for the attic space, and you can see that's moving. But I'm very happy with it. I have the manuals inside, but anybody who's looking at this, also it comes with, I mounted the remote here on the wall. Fairly simple operation. Power on and off, mode for air conditioning, heating or fan or dehumidifier, fan speed, sleep, temperature up and down, all this other stuff. The swing is the button that moves the louver up and down like that. I've been using the turbo mode because when I put it in, it was like over 100 degrees in the garage, and I think it was last night, it was like 96 in here, and I woke up this morning, it was like 71. So the turbo mode works really well. It just kind of puts the unit in its peak performance mode until it gets to your desired temperature, which is 62. I mean, 62 is never gonna get that cold in here. I mean, if it does, great, but I mean, it's 72 in here and 101 outside, so this thing's running great. It works really well. I ordered the Wi-Fi adapter for it. So you pick up the lid here, and under there's a little compartment that the Wi-Fi chip slides in, and then you can control it via your app. It connects to your home Wi-Fi, and then I can monitor this while I'm on vacation or at work or wherever it may be to make sure that it's cooling properly. You can turn it on and off, up, down, and regulate all the temperatures. So really happy with this unit. Anybody who's thinking about it, you could do it yourself. It wasn't easy to put in. It took a little bit of finagling here and there. There's a couple things I would do differently, but it can be done. I also ordered the extra line kit for both the electrical and the copper lines because the unit is quite far away if you look at my routing to where my external unit is. So I ordered the 25 extra feet. I think it comes with 16 feet from the factory in the kit. I also ordered the little plug to drain any of the Freon or anything like that, even though the AC companies have that. And I gotta figure out a better way to get this drain hose. The only time this drains, I've noticed, is if you turn the unit off. It just drains any water that's in the unit from the AC, but it does not drain when the unit is on ever. So I guess since I'm gonna keep this on all the time permanently, I could probably remove that or maybe put this in a little bit of a better area. Or I can do an evacuation pump, have it put on the wall, put some PVC pipe and just have it run down and out the house or up and out if it becomes an issue or an eyesore. But as it stands now, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a garage. I park my car in here. You know, there's a refrigerator in here, some storage boxes when I sell stuff, my wife's bike. But mostly I want to keep my pinball collection and some of the other things that I have in here to a proper temperature so they don't warp or have any issues with them. I did try one of these mobile air conditioning units my dad had in his garage. This one didn't work well. I had it piped out of the house, out of one of my vents in the closets here, but just didn't really do anything. It dropped it maybe 1 to 2 degrees over a couple of hours. This thing has cooled the garage over 25 degrees in the matter of an hour and a half. So anybody who is thinking about these, highly recommended. I'd probably put it on a scale of 1 to 10 as far as hard to putting in for a do-it-yourselfer at about a 6 or a 7. This unit, like I said, is 110, so you don't need to mess with the panel or any of that. We teed off of my existing outlet, and then I have a junction box up in the attic space, which you enter right here, along with the additional lines which are up in the attic space up here that go out the side of the house and join with the exterior unit down there. So that's my review. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm looking forward to getting the Wi-Fi unit so I can control this mobily from my phone.